Today we talk about how can you access this audio recording on your home app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on additional settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on system permissions management, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on accesses audio recording here. So then you come to next step here, click here on permissions here. So then you go down here, then here you will find here audio. So you will find it here in this list, or you just click on microphone here. Yeah, then you click here on allow only with using the app, then it's going to access it with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.